on season. Simply Cool Things reached out to me and sent me these wooden spoons to try out. And I'm very excited because every Southern lady loves her wooden utensils. And they were very generous. They were very generous in what they sent. And they appear to be good quality too. So I've got the spatula. I've got a smaller wooden spoon. Another wooden spoon. A little salad fork spoon. And something I've never had in wood is the strainer spoon. So I'm anxious to try these out, and I've got a couple of recipes that I'm going to try these out on, and I'll post one with this video, and the next one will be probably Sunday. And my first recipe is going to be chili. Now, I did this recipe a while back. It was one of the first recipes I did when I started my YouTube channel. And I think I can do a better job of explaining everything now. So, I hope you'll enjoy it. And I'm going to give these a good wash. And then I'm going to start using them. So, without further ado, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need 5 pounds of ground beef, 1 onion chopped, about 6 cloves of garlic minced. I just used the jar kind. You'll need 2 heaping tablespoons of cumin and 1 heaping teaspoon of Mexican oregano. You'll need 4 heaping tablespoons of chili powder. You'll need a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 2 teaspoons of salt, and about a half a teaspoon of sugar. You know, a teaspoon and a half to taste. You don't want it to be too sweet. And then 1 heaping tablespoon of dried cilantro. You'll need a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and a 15-ounce can of crushed tomatoes. You'll need tomato paste, 12-ounce can plus a can full of water. You'll need a 29-ounce can of tomato sauce, a can of diced tomatoes with the diced chilies, like Rotel type tomatoes, and I use 3 cans of beans to a half a pot of this chili. The other half of the pot I freeze for chili dogs. So what I do is I cook my chili. You can eat it then if you don't like the beans, but I usually take out half, and then you want to add your beans and cook it for another 15 minutes to warm it. Brown your ground beef with your onions and your garlic, and I also put some salt and pepper in there. And once it's brown, I drain it in a colander, and my spatula worked great. Once it's drained, pour your meat back into your pot. Now you want to add all of your seasonings. Add all of your tomato products and your can of water as well. Now give it a good stir. Mix everything really well. You want to bring it up to a boil and then turn it on low and let it simmer for about an hour. Now if you don't want your beans, it's ready to go. And if you like thick chili, you can add like a half a cup of mesa flour to this to thicken it up. Now my husband likes cornbread with his chili, and he likes to have a lot of juice for the cornbread to sop up. Now I'm dipping some of my chili into these containers. I'm going to do 2 of them. And once they cool, I put them in the freezer, and it's perfect for chili dogs. Or if later on you want
to open up a couple of them, and you can add your beans then and make chili or eat it however you want to do it. Now to the chili I have left in my pot. I'm going to open up these cans of beans and I'm going to add them to there, juice and all. I just did 3 different kinds, whatever you have in your pantry. I had chili beans, kidney beans, and the white kidney beans. So I'm just going to pour all 3 of those, like I said, juice and all. Give it a good stir, and I'm going to let it simmer for about another 15 minutes to warm those beans through.
All right, it's time for a taste test. It's hot. That's good. Good chili. My family likes it year round. It doesn't have to be just cold weather, because it's hot today. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. I enjoyed my wooden spoons. I used them on another video and on this video, and they really worked out great. So until next time, bye y'all.